I guess here most of them get answer 64 for this problem in wrong way. Now 7 plus here 3 square is 9 times 6 minus 2 in bracket. Here 7 plus 9 is 16 times 6 minus 2 in bracket. Here 16 times here 6 minus 2 is 4. Here 16 times 4 is 64 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 64 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 7 plus 3 to the power of 2 times the bracket is 6 minus 2 is 4. The next priority is exponent. So we have the exponent here. So we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. So 7 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 7 plus here 9 times 4 is 36. Here 7 plus 36 is 43 is the correct answer.